Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn how to create a landing page, so let's get right onto it. First, go to Wix.com and sign up. Click on Get Started. You can choose to sign up using the available options right over here. After signing up, Wix will ask you which editor you'd like to use. You can choose from two options, Wix Studio or the Wix Classic Editor. For me, Wix Editor is already good, but if you need more advanced features for deeper web development options, you can try Wix Studio. For now, we're just going to create a simple landing page, so the classic Wix Editor will do. Let's click on it. Next, Wix will ask you whether you'd like to set up your site with the help of an AI or by simply choosing a template. Since we're making a simple landing page, I'm just going to choose Setup without chat. Moving forward, Wix will ask us what type of website we'd like to create. Type landing page over here and click on Continue. You'll be redirected to your dashboard. And this pop-up window will also appear, asking you a few questions about your site. So just go ahead and input the information being asked about your site. Once you're done, click on Continue to Dashboard. To go to the editor, click on Design Site over here. Once again, Wix will ask us whether we'd like to design our site using AI or by simply choosing a template. I'm going to choose Pick a Template. And you'll be redirected to the Templates page where you can browse and choose from different templates. Select a template that best suit your needs, but if you like, you can also choose to start from scratch. Just go back here above and click on Blank Templates. Select a blank template to get started and wait for the editor to load up. In my case, I'd like to start from scratch, so I'm going to choose this one. And here we are. You might notice this pop-up as you enter the Wix editor. This is just basically Wix's AI writing assistant. You can close this window and you don't have to worry about it. You can always access it within the editor. And it's always available for us to use. We can always go back to it when we finally need it. So now here we are. I'm going to start designing the background. So I'm going to click on this section and click on Change Background. You can use a solid color, an image, or even use a video if you like. I'm going to go with an image this time. So I'm going to click on Image. I'm going to click on Upload Media because I'd like to use my own image. So let's click on Upload Media and then click on Upload from Computer. Next, select the image you'd like to use. I'm going to select this one and click on Open for it to be finally uploaded to Wix. And here we are. Once our image is uploaded, let's select it and click on Change Background. And here we are. By the way, I created this background image using Canva, so go ahead and try Canva as well. I'm just going to adjust the size of my page so that all of my image will be visible. And there we go. I think I'm quite happy with it. Now we're going to add text elements. So to do that, we're going to go to the plus button over here. And we're going to select text and choose whatever type of text you'd like to add. You can either click on it or drag and drop it to add it to your page. Double click on it to highlight all of your text and input what you want to input here. Next, I'm going to press Ctrl+A and I'm going to select everything and change our text's design. So I'm going to change its font. I like this one, so I'm going to keep it that way. And next, I'd like to add another text element. But for now, maybe I'll adjust the size of this text. So I'm going to click on it again and adjust the font size by dragging the slider over here or by inputting a specific value over here. Okay, I think that'll do. Now I'm going to add another text for our paragraph, so I'm going to go back to the plus button, click on text, and select another text template that I can use, and put that somewhere over here. I'm going to select everything by pressing Ctrl+A on my keyboard. And once again, I'm going to format my text to change its design. So I'm going to change its font. I think I like this one, so I'm going to keep it this way. And I'm going to adjust it. And there we go. Now I'd like to add basically just keep on adding as many text elements as you need to. As for me, I think I'm done adding text elements. So now let's move on to other elements. Now let's add a button. To do so, let's go to the plus button on the sidebar again and click on Button. Select whatever type of button you'd like to use. And just like how you add a text element, you can either click on it or drag and drop it to your page. You can put it anywhere you want to put it. And here is our button. Now it's time for us to change our button's design and its text. So to do so, select your button or click on it and click on Settings. Set it up by choosing what it displays, what it says, and what it leads to. So let's try it out. I'm going to say text only, and the text should say download. I'm going to click on this hyperlink and go ahead and select what you'd like to link to. Are you going to link to another page within your site, a web address, a section or anchor, etc.? So select select an option that applies to your site. So for a web address, for example, copy the URL of your web address and paste it over here so that whenever someone clicks on this button, they'll be taken to that link. Once you're done, click on Done. Now let's change its appearance. So once again, select your button or click on it, then click on the Design button, which looks like a paintbrush. Next, click on Customize Design. Using the tools here, customize your button however you like. I'm going to change its background into something that suits our theme more. I think I'd like to make it darker, so I'm gonna adjust it more. Click on Add, and there we go. So basically, customize your button however you'd like to customize it. You can change its appearance in regular format, and when it's hovered upon, you can also change its color. So let's go ahead and try that. When it's hovered, I'd like it to be changed to black. Okay, so now we're going to exit this, and I'm just going to stretch this button so that it looks much better. And I'm going to place it over here. Okay. Landing pages are usually very simple, and they don't usually have headers and footers. Their main goal is to capture leads and direct your audiences or visitors to wherever you want to lead them. So since we don't really need headers and footers, we're going to go ahead and remove them from our website. To do that, go to the Pages and Menu button and select Home and click on the three-dot icon over here. From the drop-down, click on Settings. Go to the Layouts tab and select No Header and Footer. Now you can close this panel. If you like, you can also add animated effects to your elements to make our landing page more interesting. Click on an element and click on the animation button that looks like this. Select whatever type of animation you'd like to apply. And once you select something, click on it. And if you'd like to customize that specific animated effect, click on Customize and set your effect over here according to your preferences. Basically, do the same thing for all of your elements until you finish everything. Okay, let's try to preview our website to see how it looks like. Let's go to the Preview button, and there we go. By the way, don't forget to optimize your website for mobile users. So go back to the editor, go to Mobile View by clicking this phone icon over here, and basically arrange your element to make it look better on mobile devices. Of course, you can do a much better job than I'm doing right over here, but it's very important for you to optimize your site for mobile users because a lot of people will be using their smartphones when browsing. And if you'd like to check how your mobile view looks like, you can always click on Preview. And once you're done, don't forget to click on Save to save your changes. And if you're ready to publish your landing page, then go ahead and click on Publish. And that's all for today. That's how you create a landing page in Wix. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. And if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.